Good morning. Or afternoon. I'm here today. I guess this would be part 1.5 of replacing this, because I wanted to get in here and start taking apart this fan. At least get the fan off before the motor came, in case we ran into any issues. We could identify it and don't have to deal with it the day of. So we're gonna get started with that. First we gotta take off this, which is actually pretty easy. Apparently can't do it with my hand because the bolt's on the back of that. So let's get all this off, get this cage down, and we'll get to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark, kind of like make a couple marks, or make a mark right there to kind of that way I know when we put the hub back in, when we go to reinstall with the new motor, I know where it goes. And then we'll do like we'll do 2 lines, so I know this lines up with that. And then just do it with the paint pen. We'll do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that way I know 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, and all that. If it gets marked off, we'll figure it out then. But that way, we hopefully don't have to balance it too much, because we're going to be taking these bolts off. That way I can just take off the whole fan hub, or this fan, yeah, I guess we can call it hub, and then take this off without, be a lot easier without having to deal with the fan in my way. So yeah, that should do it, and then we'll get this off. I did spray it the last time I was here, so hopefully it seeped in, and we'll see. Alright, got it supported with some rope. Alright, so let's see. We got it and moved it to the what's it called? These other, moved it in the hole. So hopefully we have enough room now. Let's see. Looks like it. We'll all use another inch, right? Come on. This thing is holding on to the last. Getting there. Running out. Come on. Almost out. Nope. It's like almost there. Ugh. I'm gonna use oh, socket fell off. Good old ratchet man. And that's it. Got it off. So now come next week when this special motor comes in. You gotta rig it all up. Oh yeah, you look at a duck lift or a pogo lift. And the plan is to put blocks of wood right here, and then to kind of get it up off the shaft, strap it to the lift, and then lift it up into place. So I'll take this one down and lift the new one up into place. Still debating whether I want to run new cable, but we'll see. I know how much I need. Got that done. I mean, all that's left to do is I gotta get some hardware. I'm just gonna pick it up today since I got time. And that way I have everything I need for next week. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully you guys like this kind of stuff. If you don't, let me know. I mean, troubleshooting is kind of hard for me to do videos on, but I mean, the last video was troubleshooting. It's definitely a weird one. The only thing I didn't show was just the Met. I didn't show me megging it because I just forgot or got wrapped up in it. But it's definitely weird that this motor doesn't want to spin. So we'll see. Have a good one, guys and gals. Take care.
Several days later.
Oh, she's a spinning. This motor is good. Now we just got to clean it up. she's running, finally. After like a week and a half of waiting for this motor. Finally back up and running. Luckily it hasn't been too hot, so. But super quiet, this thing. But yeah, anyway, have a good one. Thanks.